In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Facebook page earnings. Whether you're tracking payouts from Reels, in-stream ads, or stars, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to find the numbers that matter and how to read them with confidence. First, open Facebook. You can do this on the mobile app or in a web browser. Make sure you're signed into the account that manages the page. From there, go to your page. It's important that you're viewing the page itself, not your personal profile, so that you see the professional tools. Once you're on the page, look for the Professional Dashboard. This is the central hub for creators and businesses, and it's where Facebook groups your tools for content, monetization, and performance. Inside the Professional Dashboard, tap Insights. This area collects your analytics, things like reach, engagement, and most importantly for today, your earnings. In Insights, open Earnings. That's the dedicated screen that summarizes your revenue. On the earnings page, you'll see estimated earnings. Think of this as your running total based on activity that Facebook has tracked but may still reconcile. Because it's an estimate, it can adjust slightly as invalid activity is removed or currency conversions settle. You'll also see daily earnings. This breaks revenue down by day so you can connect spikes to specific posts or campaigns. It's useful for understanding what content or timing is working. Next is monthly earnings, which rolls everything up for an easy month-to-month comparison. Many creators use this to plan budgets and set goals because it smooths out day-to-day volatility. Finally, look for pending payout. This is the amount that has been calculated and is scheduled to be paid but hasn't landed in your payout account yet. Pending status can happen if you haven't reached the payout threshold, if you're between payment cycles, or if Facebook is finishing routine reviews. It's normal for this number to change slightly as the month closes. A couple of quick notes to keep your expectations realistic. Earnings data can lag. It isn't always real time. Don't be surprised if today's activity shows up tomorrow or the next day. Also, the totals reflect only monetized content and eligible activity, so results can vary by region, audience, and format. That's it. Open Facebook, go to your page, head into the Professional Dashboard, tap Insights, and open Earnings to see your estimated daily, monthly, and pending payout amounts with clarity.